This is typical of a description that says brand new 2008 hot water heater. We have the heater mounted on a cement floor without a drip pan, and in 2005 they required a drip pan. Furthermore, you'll notice that the pressure temperature relief valve that opens and discharges steam if the hot water heater overheats isn't properly plumbed. It's supposed to be 4 to 6 inches above the surface. Furthermore, if it was originally plumbed, there's a discharge pipe for it. There's the outside end. And the other end. So they put the hot water heater in the wrong angle, not aligning this pipe to this one. Further investigation found the exhaust port, the B vent, not even connected, just sitting there. There's a flue for it and the screws. Tank was replaced, but the gate valve frozen and original. You can see the seeping around it. Furthermore, there's exposed copper plumbing and exterior closet. So all in all, it'd be a really fair guess to say that this hot water heater was replaced without the benefit of a building permit.